and I am a student of Ramagya School. Today I am here to share my thoughts on disaster management and to discuss about the several disasters that had happened in Taiwan. A disaster is a sudden calamitous event that seriously disrupts the functioning of a community or society and causes human, material, economic or environmental losses that exceed the community's or society's ability to cope with its own resources. Disaster management can be defined as the organization and management of responsibilities and resources for dealing with all the humanitarian aspects of emergencies. The first recorded earthquake in Taiwan was in 1624. Between 1901 and the year 2000, there were 91 major earthquakes in Taiwan, 48 of them resulting in loss of lives. Now let us talk about some of the major disasters that had happened in Taiwan. The typhoons and earthquakes are most serious and destructive hazards which happen in Taiwan. The 1964 Behi earthquake, also known as the Great Behi earthquake, measured 6.3 local magnitude and occurred at 8 p.m. on 18 January in Behi township of Tainan County. The hypocenter of the earthquake was 20 kilometers deep. The earthquake killed 106 people, destroyed 10,924 buildings and caused a great fire in Chiayi city. It was the sixth deadliest earthquake in 20th century Taiwan. The worst earthquake ever to hit Taiwan was the Jeju earthquake. On 21st September 1999, the Jeju earthquake killed more than 2,400 people of Taiwan, destroyed or damaged thousands of buildings and left an estimated 1 lakh people homeless. And apart from earthquakes, if we talk about typhoons, then the typhoon Morakot, also known as the typhoon Keiko, was the deadliest typhoon to impact Taiwan in the recorded history. The 8th named storm and 4th typhoon of the 2009 Pacific typhoon season, Morakot wrought catastrophic damage in Taiwan, leaving 673 people dead and 26 missing and causing roughly net 110 billion in damages. The storm produced copious amounts of rainfall, peaking at 2,777 mm. One landslide destroyed the entire town of Sayolin, killing over 400 people. And now, if we talk about floods, the worst flood happened in Taiwan was in 1959. It began on Friday, the night of 7th August 1959, on the western coastal plain in central and southern Taiwan. The sudden and heavy downpour, whose worst feature was its steadiness, was unprecedented in the region of its concentration. The incessant rain was continuous, accompanied by frightening thunder and lightning. 9 hours, 811 mm of rain dumped itself on Changhua and its adjacent areas. By early next morning, all the streets in Changhua were inundated. The flood receded. Officials counted 669 dead, 852 injured, 377 missing and 8,48,184 homeless. Victims for Taiwan's worst flood disaster since 1898.